welcome back to my channel. My name is April and today's video is for all my brides with bachelorette parties coming up. Here is your sign to go thrifting for all your fun clothes and transform them into one-of-a-kind items to wear. I hope you enjoy this video and let's get started. The first item I thrifted is this cream colored skirt for only $4. I love the center slit, but the waist is a little too big and the buttons are too far spaced, so it exposes you in the front. I also want to shorten the skirt into a midi length. The first thing I did was take in the sides of the skirt so it can hug my waist, and I'm just doing this quickly with my serger. Next, I mark how short I want to cut the skirt and made the back a little longer for a slight high-low design. Trim the skirt and hem the new bottom. To fix the opening in the front, I was thinking I could move some of the buttons in between since there's two buttons right next to each other and just sew new buttonholes for them. But the back side of the skirt has an elastic waist, so technically I don't even need the buttons to be fully functional. All I have to do is close up the opening, but I will leave the top buttons to allow just a little more room to slide the skirt on and off. With the scrap piece that I cut off of the skirt, I was wondering how to make use of it, and then I realized I could just create a simple wrap top. And I mean really simple. All I have to do is clean up and hem the edges, then you just wrap it around the neck, cross it over the chest, and tie in the back. Here is the final transformation. The next item I thrifted is a white crochet cardigan for $6. It's cute and all, but I'm trying to look fire, so I'm gonna turn it into a mini dress and wear it as a swimsuit cover-up. I draped the cardigan on my dress form and reversed it so the back is in the front. That way I can create a halter neck design. Stretch and fit the cardigan to hug your body and then mark your neckline. True up your markings and cut out the dress. Next, using my serger, I sew the center back seam closed. The back of the dress was a little loose, so I stretched and sewed some elastic along the top to hug my body. Then hem the entire top of the dress with a sewing machine. I wanted the neckline to be curved, so I cut the shape out and then hemmed it wide enough to slide a rope through. I'm using some skinny white rope as my tie, but you can use whatever you want. And that's pretty much it. Of course, I needed a white swimsuit to pair underneath as well, so I made one from scratch using my bikini tutorial. Here is the finished transformation. Next, I thrifted this off-white jumpsuit for $6 or $7. I love the fit of it already, but I'm not crazy about the bottom of the pants and would love it way more as shorts. This is a really simple fix. Just mark how short you want the legs, add your seam allowance, and cut the pants. I pressed my seam allowance at 1 inch and quickly hemmed them. Here's what it looks like as a romper. Honestly, all these looks are so cute and perfect for any summer occasion, not just a bachelorette. But let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching. As usual, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll see you next time. Bye!